Chopping brown back banners, Motorola track phone. I don't have much time. I have to make this quick as possible. And don't forget your update, your YouTube logo. And this the subject tonight is, do you hear this high-pitched noise in your ears? Yes, I do. This time I'm holding this cell phone with my upper, the index finger and my thumb. And if you ever heard this high-pitched noise, there are different variations of this high-pitched noise. Wait, we got the high-pitched noise, which sounds like a tweeter. Or it could sound like a CD spinning, such as a hard drive. Or you could get that buzzing noise. That I don't get. And you get the TV noise when it's off the air. I'd rather have that than to have this high-pitched noise. It's constantly and constantly that high-pitched noise. What does it sound like? What does tinnitus sound like? For me, it sounds like this. And that's only a sample. That's the best I can do. I can imitate other sounds too, such as a sliding door or a doorbell. Ding dong. But that sounds like an actual bell. But mine sounds so high pitched you can't even hear it. So pretty sure I'm gonna press stop. And you tell me what you think. Like, dislikes, comments, view, notification, subscribe, view. I said this before. Story. Share to other platforms such as YouTube. And you can share to other platforms such as Facebook, Instagram.